Hi viewers, it's a pleasure having you here, and you can see what I have done. That means I'm going to do it soon for you. This is the spicy pineapple cake with the glaze cream like. So this is the type of thing that I am going to do and show you. Come quickly, we will go and do this type of cake and you will enjoy that. Till then, you have to be patiently wait how I am going to make and show you now. I need first of all pineapple to be stewed. Fresh pineapple I have taken. I am going to stew the fresh pineapple. So watch how I am going to stew. Normally when you are stewing, we need a little sugar, need a little water if I need the juice, and we have to stew it. We'll watch how we are going to stew it now. I'm going to do, I have taken a cup of pineapple which I have cut into small pieces. Once I cut into small pieces, what we have to do is I need a little sugar. Otherwise it becomes bitter. Say about 2 teaspoons of sugar I have put here. And I need a little juice also. Pineapple juice. Juice will come, but still I need a little bit of juice. Half a cup of juice, water I will put and stew it. So when we stew, we will know we need the pineapple juice, stew the pineapple. If it is fresh pineapple, we have to stew it. If it is canned fruits, if you are using the juice, you can strain and take it, and pineapple straight away you can use. We don't have to stew it. But fresh fruits we can make with pineapple, apple, pears, any hard fruits we can take and use it. Not with mangoes. We can't use mangoes for this type of cake. We have to use a little sugar into this because otherwise what happens is it becomes bitter. Another thing, if it is pears or apple or any other fruits, with the sugar, with the water, a little lime juice. Otherwise it becomes discolored. I want to strain this now. Juice separately and the fruit separately. I have to strain and keep it ready. Now what I am going to do is I am going to make the cake. 125 grams of sugar, 125 grams of butter, 2 eggs. Now we don't need the water. I have got 2 eggs. So now we will start beating this. The butter should be straight from the fridge. Straight from the fridge. Then one by one add the eggs. Once the sugar dissolves, I can reduce slowly and take it. Now it's a cake that we are making, so watch carefully how the cake is made like. 150 grams of flour I have taken. 1 teaspoon, heap teaspoon of baking powder I have taken. Pinch of salt. We will start sifting this. You can use even this sifter also you can use. Now I have taken this, nicely mix it. I need a little bit of juice also. When I start beating, I will use the juice. Now what I am going to do is pineapple juice. 1, 2. Now I am going to use the pineapple pieces to mix it. Important thing is spices. Cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, roasted and powdered. That is very, very important that we use it. Then I need, if I want, I can use the pineapple essence. Spices we put. I am going to put this pineapple essence. If I put pineapple essence, I don't need vanilla essence. Mix it. Spices I put cardamom, cloves, cinnamon. Then I use the fruits. Sultanas, we use roughly about, I keep a little, I want it to put on top. Sultanas about 50 to 60 grams, cashew nuts about 50 to 60 grams, you take and put. Tray I have taken, I have put an oil paper, I have put an oil paper at the bottom and butter it nicely. I have already buttered, sides also you butter, nicely butter and keep it ready. Now I put the mixture into this. Put all this mixture into this. Sultanas, I will put it. And the cashew nuts. Roasted cashew nuts, not just the raw cashew nuts. Now I am going to bake this 180 centigrade, 360 Fahrenheit. I bake this for 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. 2.5 inch height tray, 7 inch round. Bake it. Spicy pineapple cake is ready. We will do a little bit of cream on top so that it will look nice, but without that also we can serve it, no problem at all. But still I have to complete this with a little bit of cream. We will see how the cream is done. I kept a little pineapple juice. I took only 2 dessert spoons. I have kept the balance. Now what I am going to do is, I will put that balance. We don't know how much we need, but I just put a little. And what I will do is, I will heat it, boil it. Till we boil that, we have to take a bowl. I have to put the icing sugar, about 10 tablespoons of icing sugar I have taken, right? Just to show you, it's easy for you to follow if it is so. Now I will take the butter. Say roughly I am taking the butter about a dessert spoon. See. Now slowly I am going to add the pineapple juice. There is no quantity as such. To get it like a cream, we need. See, it's a cream that I have taken. We need like a cream. Not too thick, not too thin. So now I am going to put it. What I want to do is, it's a little watery. I want to put a little another spoon. We'll see. Pineapple juice we put. I'll put a little pineapple essence, which will make it a little more tastier. About 1/4 teaspoon would do. Now this is enough. Pour this mixture. When we put the cream also, sometimes you don't like too much of cream in it, so we have to use, this will become hard soon. Put a little bit of coloring. I took a little and kept. Yellow coloring I put, because the pineapple essence also, pineapple cream also, you can see it's a little off-white, so we will use a little bit of coloring here. That is the decoration that I have done. Now it's nice. As it is to serve, it's really nice. It's the spicy pineapple cake. This pineapple cake, spicy pineapple cake that we have done here, and I hope you will enjoy the cake which I have done with a little bit of cream. Simple, easy cake that we have done with the cream. Cream is also easy to do, so you can have like this type of a cream, and it's very tasty. You can make it and see how it comes. This is with pineapple. I told you, you can use other fruits also. Hard fruits like pears or apple you can use for this, but not the other soft fruits. And you can make it and you can enjoy the cake. Spicy pineapple cake. Very soon with another episode. I will see you soon. Till then, bye from me now.